Hi guys, so today we're going to be playing with some Wonder Dough. So, I got this at the Dollar Tree. Here it is. It's like a neon pink. It's very thick. Sorry guys. Allergies. Oh. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. I got it at the Dollar Tree, guys. It's a little wet for some reason, but anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you, ultra awesome octopuses. Stay cool, stay crazy, and stay Clary. Bye.